Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see here, we've got the night shield. So this is how it is called, how the eye comfort mode or night mode is called in this device. So let's tap on it, and here, in order to see any changes, we have to turn on the night shield by tapping on this switcher enable now. And as you can probably see, I hope that you can see it, that the screen turns a little bit yellowish. It is obviously in order to filter the blue light. Of course, we can adjust the temperature, the intensity of that feature just by using the switcher. So here we've got the coolest option applied, and by going to the right side we can set it much warmer. So of course it's up to you which option you like to use. Just set this one which will make you reading easier in the dim light. What's more, here we've got the display effects, and we can set the color, which is right now applied, but we can set also black and white. So just take a look at those switchers. They were green, and right now they are black and white and actually green. So after getting back, you can see that the whole system will be changed only to these shades and those colors. So let me get back to the colors. And so actually this is the customization. What's more, we can schedule the time just by tapping on the switcher, and here you can choose the start time and the end time of setting the night shield. So let me pick the start time, for example, at 2 p.m. and tomorrow it will I don't know, finish at 1 a.m. whatever. It's up to you how you want to set it. As you can see, the screen turned again yellow because we are just somewhere between those start and end time. So this is how to customize this option. And now let me share with you how to have much faster access to this feature, because you do not always have to go through the settings and all that customization. All you have to do is simply unroll the top bar. Oh my god. All you have to do is unroll the top bar, and as you can see here, we've got the night shield icon, which is obviously right now turned on. And if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen turns back to its normal state. So actually that's all. This is how to enable or turn on actually the eye comfort mode in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.